Let's be real for a second. Finding the right person for an academic job can be a huge headache, right? You're buried in applications, hoping you'll just get lucky and spot the perfect candidate. But what if you could skip all that? What if you could just find the needle without having to search the whole haystack? Well, that's what we're going to break down today. We're going to show you how academicjobs.com makes this whole thing way, way easier.
And you know, that motto isn't just some fluffy marketing line. It's literally the whole idea the platform was built on. The founder, Jared Kanazai, wanted to answer a simple question. What if finding top talent wasn't about luck, but about having the right tools to make that perfect match? That's the core of it all.
So how does this actually work in practice? Well, it's a super straightforward 7-step process. Let's walk through it, because this is basically your playbook for getting your job in front of the right people and doing it fast. Okay, so the first 4 steps are all about getting the ball rolling, and they couldn't be easier. You just pop over to the website, academicjobs.com, and click that big Post a Job button. You can't miss it. Then you pick your package, and finally, you just drop in the job title and a link. Seriously, this part is designed to take like 2 minutes. And just like that, you're pretty much at the finish line. Step 5 gives you some cool options to boost your post's visibility. Totally optional, but pretty helpful. Step 6 is just the usual. Confirm your details, handle the payment. And then, step 7, boom. Your job is live, out there for a global academic audience to see. But here's the thing. Getting your job posted is really just the start. What if, instead of just waiting around for people to apply, you could actually go out and find the best candidates yourself? This is where the platform stops being just a job board and becomes a really powerful recruiting tool. And this is where it gets really, really cool. The AI Candidate Finder completely flips the script on recruiting. Instead of you waiting for applications, this tech is out there 24/7, scouring the internet for people who are a perfect fit for your job, even if they aren't actively looking. It's all about uncovering that hidden talent. And you get to decide how wide you want to cast your net. Maybe you've got a super niche role and you just need a curated list of, say, 20 top-tier candidates. Or maybe it's a huge priority and you want a list of 100 potential people to start talking to. You're in complete control. Now, besides the high-tech AI search, you've also got the more traditional ways to make sure your job post gets seen. You can upgrade it to a featured or top job so it gets that prime real estate right at the top of the listings. Okay, so you've hit the post button. What happens right at that moment? Well, you're not just left wondering if it all went through. The whole system is built to give you instant feedback and put you in the driver's seat. Instantly, and I mean like right away, 2 things land in your inbox. First, an email confirming your job is officially live. And second, your login details for your own client dashboard. And that dashboard, that's your new mission control. So let's talk about this dashboard because it's pretty powerful. Think of it as your command center for this entire search. It's the one place you go to manage your posting, see who's applying, everything. And honestly, that's the key difference here. You know that old post and pray model where you just toss a job out there and cross your fingers? This is the exact opposite. It's all about giving you total control and total clarity over your search. Inside, you can do pretty much anything you need to. You can tweak the job description on the fly if you're not getting the right kind of applicants. You can post more jobs super quickly. And most importantly, this is where you'll see all those amazing AI-generated candidate leads. You can even see your application stats in real time to know exactly what's working. So, when you really think about it, it all comes down to this. Your best candidate, they're out there. That's a fact. The only question is, are you going to sit back and wait for them to stumble upon your job listing? Or are you going to use the right tools to go out and find them? That's the difference between just waiting and actually recruiting.